Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're looking at this Ultraloq. This is the U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Deadbolt. So I've done a review in the past of a similar looking lock where it had the Wi-Fi dongle separate. This one kind of has everything built in. And it does have included the door sensor as well. So it will know when the door is open. So that's kind of a bonus there. We're going to go ahead and open up the box now and then go ahead and test out the unit here and see how it works. So this is what we have inside the box here. There are a few things, but I just kind of want to show you the lock itself here a little bit closer. So we got the number pad here and we got the fingerprint reader. And one thing you might have noticed are the keys here. You're kind of able to use the keys. The way to get in is just push this part out from the bottom. Like as you can see here, let me just lock it again. You just push it out. And then the top part comes off. And then you're able to use the keys to get in. That's another bonus there. In case the battery runs out or you kind of want to use the keys for any reason, you're able to do that. One good thing about this, even if you're if you slam the door by accident or anything like that, this is not gonna come off easily because you kind of need to pull the bottom here in order for the top to come off here, which is good. And then looking at the inner part here, so we got the lock itself here, and then the battery compartment here. It does take 4 AA's. So right now I have the test bench here. Probably you've seen this on my previous videos. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this together and then go ahead and test it out, see how it works out. So right now everything is connected. All we need to do is go here. Right now it's telling the door is locked, but up here you can see door is open. The reason for that is because of the sensor here. Obviously we don't have it mounted properly here. But once it's mounted correctly, it's gonna show when the door is closed or open here. So I just wanna see how fast it reacts if I go ahead and click to unlock the door. Pretty quick actually. So also now let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint reader here and the number pad here and see how fast that part works. So let's just go ahead and add here. Normal user, let's just go next. And so right now it's asking us to start adding fingerprint. And that's it, it's done. And also we have to enter a user code here as well in case the fingerprint fails. So let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for now. And add code, or we can skip that part. And you can also use your smartphone, but not for now. Skip and success. So let's go ahead and open up the door. Perfect. No issues there at all. So let's just lock it once more. It detects it right away. It opens very quick actually, which is nice to see here. And the number pad, so let's just lock the door here. So we set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and perfect. So kind of everything is working as it should. We didn't run into any issues at all, which is good. The fingerprint reader works pretty fast actually. It's faster than some of my other locks, which is good. Usually I have to wait a few seconds until it kind of detects a fingerprint, but with this, it's going right away. So let's just lock it again. No problem at all, which is good. We also have the best feature, which I kind of love using on these locks, is the auto lock feature. For example, if I'm stepping out, sometimes I forget to if I have something on my hands, I don't want to go ahead and click the lock button here. I can just let the lock itself. After let's say 30 seconds, I can set up a timer here as well, which is good. That feature, I always kind of leave it on. One of the other cool features here, just a kind of visual thing, is if you when I hit unlock, it kind of the lights kind of go this way, but when you go ahead and lock it, it kind of goes this way, so it kind of shows you when it's locking and unlocking the door. It just has that nice visual piece here as well. One thing I want to touch on is the actual key. Let's go ahead and test out the key. So we tested out the fingerprint reader, the number pad here, and it works perfect. So right now let's just go test out the key. Looks like it works too, which is good. If you're looking to buy this specific lock here, hopefully you guys found the video helpful. If you guys have any questions about this lock, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I will see you guys on the next video.